Hey guys, it's me, Denial here, and welcome back to Teardown. This is some sort of apartment thing. I have all of these different things, like these gauntlets, which we're gonna try out. I can just rip pieces out of the wall. Nice. Punch. Does this do, like, damage? Can I, like, crush stuff? Nope, it's just a whole fun little thing to do, I guess. So I'm gonna rip through all of this. Oh, and if I press E, I just get a gun. Okay, so E and Q is gun. If I enable my auto clicker, I can just... It's going so fast that I can't even, like, compute it. Usually just clicking. It's not as fast as the auto clicker because it's simply not. Okay. Ow. Let's try... Railgun. It's not working. Oh! Ow! Ow, that was loud. Okay. Corrupted crystal. Eh. Oh! It's just going to... What if I use my auto... Okay. Is anyone else seeing that text? Let me just... Yeet! It didn't work. Okay. Give me the car. Give me the car. Look away to start growth. Okay, so if I'm not looking, then it's not. The leg is... It's getting pretty leggy. Here's what we'll do. Restart. Restart the map. So many mods installed. In case you're wondering, it did in fact take longer than that to load it the first time. Oh, just drop those. Just the shotgun from Doom. Okay. Ballistic shield with pistol. Nitroglycerin, chocolate milk, which lets me jump higher and run faster. Wind blade. We've seen all this stuff. Laser gun. This is a fun one. I can just sort of do this. Let's go to the Minecraft Super Flat to show this off more. So many mods. Did I go past M? No, here it is. Minecraft Super Flat World. Right, this is an infinite world. And I believe if I just go to Superman... Superman, and then I just, you see, click does that, and right click does that. So if I just spam right click, You can see I'm going quite fast. Like, I don't even know where I am anymore. Oh. I guess I'm dead. Like, if you really look at that, it goes pretty fast. I thought that was cool. Minecraft Village, you know? I believe, is this the one with the living villagers? It is. It's experimental. Okay, whatever. I'm sure it'll be fine. I want to try the corrupted crystal on the villagers. Corrupted crystal. Oh. It's just there. I'll look away for a little bit while I get the Subnautica alien rifle. Ow. It just explodes in my hand now. That's fun. Okay. Guess that's broken. Lucky block. It's nothing. Oh, it's an anvil. That one was a bomb. This one is nitroglycerin, I think. Ah, yep, that's nitroglycerin. Just gonna make a big crystal thing. Oh, hey, here's my dead body being eaten. Here, I'll help. Consume it. Okay, well that's cool. What happens if I were to, like... Can I, like, box myself in? Okay, let's just grab the physics gun. I can pick these up. Pick these up. And it's gone. I can only pick up some of them, I guess. Oh god. Oh. Say goodbye to the frame rate. Let's do Sky Fracture. Nokia. Is it gonna explode? It explodes, doesn't it? There we go. Starlight. Oh dear. Nope. Pretty much everything I have here. Can I not? Okay, I can only punch windows like a certain distance. Shotgun. Where is it? Rocket launcher. roof off of this. This game is really satisfying, even at its 0 frame rate. Let's try just like flying shuttles. Ah, the test chamber from Portal. I remember Portal. This is 12. Leaves. Where's the cube? Oh, the buttons. Lucky boy. That one's red. It's oh. There's a lot of stuff happening. Right click doesn't do anything. Middle click doesn't do anything. I think that is going to be it for this episode of Teardown. So, if you enjoyed, leave a like.